Workflows help you save time by automating repetitive tasks, like sending payment reminders to customers. Let's go over the different types of workflows available in QuickBooks Online Advanced, then how to set them up and edit them. To start, search for Workflows or select the workflow icon. When you start, you won't see any workflows in the My Workflows tab, but as you add them, QuickBooks lists them here. You can set up a custom workflow or use a template. Let's use a template for now, and you can learn about custom workflows later. There are 3 types of workflows. Reminders send an email to customers, vendors, or someone within your business, or a mobile app notification to someone on your team. Approvals create procedures within your company that limits what users can do before it's approved. For instance, you can set up an invoice approval process that triggers anytime someone records an invoice over a specific dollar amount. And automations perform an action, like sending a report or statement on a recurring schedule. Each workflow has a brief description to tell you what it does. You can also search for a workflow. Or, if you only want to see workflows that relate to a specific action or transaction type, select the Filter button. Select what you're looking for and select Apply Filters. Let's set up one of the most commonly used workflows, a payment due reminder for customers. Enter a name for your workflow. Then choose what you want QuickBooks to do. Let's remind customers about unpaid invoices 5 days before the invoice is due. In this case, QuickBooks will only send reminders to customers about invoices that are unpaid. But you can add other conditions as well. For instance, if you select Customer as a condition, you can then make this reminder only apply to specific customers. Or you can select Invoice Amount, and the reminder will only apply to invoices at or over a specific dollar amount. This reminder relates to something the customer needs to do. But if you're setting up a workflow for something your team needs to do, QuickBooks can create a reminder in their tasks. QuickBooks will send this reminder to the customer's email address, but you can CC or BCC other email addresses, like someone on your team. And you can also personalize the message they'll receive. When this and other workflows trigger, QuickBooks can send you an email summarizing all of them. This is a nice way to keep up to date with all of the automations happening in your company. And finally, QuickBooks can send a notification to someone on your team that has the QuickBooks Online mobile app installed on their phone or tablet. When you're done, select Save and Turn On. QuickBooks lists the workflow in the My Workflows tab. This is where you can edit, copy, see the history, and delete the workflow. It's important to note that you can usually have multiple workflows for the same type of action. This reminder will go out when a customer has 5 days left to pay, but you can select templates and set up another separate reminder for customers who are overdue. If you want more control, you can create your own custom workflows without a template. Check out this video to learn more about how to set up custom workflows. The History tab shows the records and all actions associated with existing workflows, with a link to view additional details. Now you're ready to set up your own workflows to automate business tasks.